In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change quality of your photos and videos on an iPhone's camera. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings. On Settings, scroll all the way down until you find the camera. And that's where we can configure camera quality for videos, slow-mos, and the cinematic mode. I'm gonna tap Add Videos, and that's where we can select any quality from that list. I'm currently using 1080p at 30 FPS. That is quite enough for me. However, you can select on an iPhone 15 Pro, you can select up to 4K at 60 FPS. I don't know if another iPhone versions allows you to select the same quality, but I got that options here. That's how we can highly increase the video quality on our device. Also, we can configure some of that options like HDR, or let's say we can lock white balance, and also we can configure another options. And one more thing about video settings, guys, even if that option is selected here, we'll still be able to increase video quality on the camera app. So if we go to video mode, right over here it says HD. HD means 1080p. However, we can tap on it to switch to 4K. And also we can tap at FPS here to change it to 60 FPS, and also we can lower it down to 24 FPS if it is necessary. So that's how we can manually configure each upcoming video before we start recording that video. Also, in camera settings, in the same way, we can configure slow-mo and cinematic mode. However, if you would like to increase quality of your photos, you need to get into formats. If we tap at formats, first off, we can configure camera capture feature. We can select from two options here: most compatible and high efficiency. To reduce file size, capture photos and videos in high efficiency mode. So high efficiency mode means less file size. It means less photo file size, and as a result, less quality. To increase quality of your photos, select most compatible. Also in here, on an iPhone 15 Pro, we can select photo mode. We can switch it between 12 megapixels and 24 megapixels. Down below, it is showing us the approximately file size at 12 megapixels. It is 3 megabytes, approximately file size of photo you will take in that mode. And at 24 megapixels, file size will be approximately 4.8. The higher file size means the higher photo quality. Also in here, if you want to increase photos quality even more, you can enable that option, which is called Pro RAW and Resolution Control, and that's where we can increase photo quality up to 48 megapixels. But keep in mind that it will increase the size of your photos even more, up to 75 megabytes for one particular photo if you choose Pro RAW, that mode. For most cases, I don't recommend you to turn on that option, because in this case photos will be very large and you will quickly run out of disk space. Basically, guys, that's all about how we can increase quality of our photos and videos. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.